Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about weaves for two color warp and two color weft. That means in warp two colors, that is one is black and one is white, alternate. Okay, and in the ratio weft ratio is 2:1 ratio. That is means uh, jute yarn 700 denier ratio is 2 and chenille ratio is 1, that is 5 nm chenille. So how to apply weaves for this type of fabrics? So I am going to explain about, after editing I am going to show you in the product creator how to apply weaves. So first select the design from the properties. Okay, I'm going to take that edited design in the properties from here. So after selecting a design, we have to select the loom file also. Yes, this is my design and it shows 84 ends per inch and 34 picks per inch. Okay, this is off read, like one total ends per inch is 168, but I took here, I edited this design in 84 and picks per inch is 51. Just I edited a jute peak, so 34 total peak is picks per inch is 51. So now I am selecting loom file, which is for jacquard, whatever the cost out is there, that already I have in my library. So I am just selecting that. So when I select and OK, I have get the colors which I have edited in the Texel. These are the colors. 6 colors are I used in this design. You can see the design also, edit file you can see from here. Just clicking on this you can get, see. Yes, this is my design. This is for chenille. I edited in the ground, I given in texture also. So you can see this is red color is for chenille, this is jute, whatever it 700 or 600 in here, and this is for one outline for chenille. Okay, this also come as jute, and one more outline is there, white color, this will come dark. So now here you can see one warp, one first warp, second warp, first weft and second weft. Okay, for this design is for 2 warps and 2 wefts. Wefts are in the ratio and warp is 1:1 ratio. Okay, that's why I just edited like this, and I am going to apply for these weaves as per double cloth weaves, double layer fabrics. I am going to apply, but I will bind in chenille also. If I use double cloth weaves for all over the design, all colors, I get 2 layer fabric, but I have to bind. This is sofa fabric, upholstery fabric. So I am going to bind this chenille color, and remaining colors should be double layer. Okay, you can see here A is for 2 picks and B is for 1 pick. Okay, here you can see 600 hooks and 510 picks. Here reed and pick 84 and 34. But when I see the card file, you can get here 1200, because the actual my ends per inch is 168. But I am edited this file as per two color warp, 1:1 ratio warp. I just edited in 84. That means 1 ratio, and another ratio will come with this warp and weft definition file. So design edited in 600 and 510 as per this read and pick, but I get cards, okay, I get cards 1200 and 765. This is 2:1 ratio. When you see 510 divided by 2 multiply 3, you get this, okay, and this just doubled. In the design you see that 600, now in the cards we can see 1200, okay. This is logic you have to understand. Then now you can see here, this is to be, you have to see 2:1 ratio design, okay, 2:1 ratio. Then we are now going to apply weaves, okay. I am going to apply first jute weft, that is eight by 8 twill. I am going to apply 8 by 8 twill. Okay, that is 1 up 7 down. I want to show weft only, that is jute weft, okay. This is my black warp and this is my white warp. So I am going to show jute, this is first weft jute and this is chenille. So I am applied black warp, first weft, jute weft, twill weave, and here I am going to take plain weave, and here I just up this because I followed this as per double cloth weave. So what is the double cloth formation? When this is first warp, I am binding with twill weave, and second warp I just down, and when second weft is coming I just lift up first warp, first warps all are up, and second warp with second weft interlaces with plain weave. So this is played in the fabric as double layer, okay. Okay, I am also show you fabric simulation, and also how the fabric is looking on the loom also, okay. Next we see that. So this is the form double cloth layer. I am applying for all weaves like that. Just you can see here chenille weave also I am going to apply, okay. This is chenille weave, okay. For this I am applying chenille is second weft and first warp is black. I am going to apply dark warp and dark chenille weft on satin, 8Z satin, and just I applied in the opposite back side first jute weft and second warp I just applied plain weave. And now I am going to apply for bindings. I am going to take binding from this so I make the bindings on chenille like this, okay. this is I am applying bindings on manual because chenille is 2:1 ratio. This is not 1:1 ratio. If I am applying only on chenille with black warp and jute webbed. Okay, I am not going to apply any bindings here. First second warp with second webbed because I want to show only this is the binding I applied as per first warp and first webbed in the back side, and also I applied all weaves as per double layer weaves, double cloth weaves as per our jute webbed and chenille webbed and texture also. In the texture I took plain weave for one color and another color I took 2 up 1 down twill, so that's on black warp and jute webbed. Okay. And now next we see the simulation. This is the card file. You can see this. Here you can see ratio. This is chenille is coming, and next two picks are jute picks. Now I am going to make yarn as per denier, warp denier and web denier and thickness, core size and expansion size. So, and also make the color, whatever the color I have, black and white. Just I get the simulation how the fabric will look on if I weave this design. Just I get an idea by making these yarns and all that. I know the yarn denier and also count size and color, all that you can make here. So you can get next make the warp and web all and colors also. Then you can get simulation. This is for webbed chenille. So now I'm going to get the simulation it's making. Okay. Yeah, you see this is my simulation. Yeah, I have to change here. When I am going to proceed to simulation, here I have to change the original density 168 and 51, whatever the density, because it won't take default. It is there as per Excel we given, but actual we have to give it and then make simulation. You get the exact simulation. Okay, see, now this is my simulation. I am going to take print this file in true color. We get a very good idea. You can, in this simulation, what we have to see is how the weaves are coming, whatever the weaves we have given here, that is same as coming or not. We get just idea in this simulation. Okay, 80% we get similar, but 20% is natural properties, and this is virtual properties of yarn. So we won't get 100%. We get 80 to 90%. Okay. Yeah, this is true coloring. We get the design here. See how it's looking. You can just zoom and check. Texture is there, due to this yellow color, light yellow, and this chenille red color, and this is how we get fabric. And now we're going to see how it's look on loom. Okay, when I am weaving this on loom, similar I have to get. So I'm going to show you that also. Okay, yeah, this is simulation. You can see this is a fabric simulation which I get after applying weaves, all that. I think you are not getting this clear. Just wait. Now you can see this is my fabric which I show you on simulation. Exactly this is how my fabric is looking. You can see chenille, jute, and warp is white and black. This is all we did, and we also weave this fabric. So you get very good idea about yarns and weaves, all that. Okay, I think you get idea of this. I think you get idea about these are okay. Exactly, you see loom also. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and thank you so much.